is Agunbioji Folashade Janet, one of the participants of Moodle for Teacher Administration Training. I welcome you to a short video showing what a manager can do on a Moodle 2.5 website. Managers can access calls and modify them. They usually do not participate in calls, but they are there to oversee the affairs of what is going on the Moodle. They can manage badges and award badges to students and staff. They can edit the front page settings, post the latest new updates, set up a sandpage course for staff to practice Moodle. Managers on a Moodle site can set up grading skills that teachers site-wide can make use of. You can customize individual words and phrases throughout the site. Managers can access any course or category on the site without being a course teacher or having an enrollment key. They can access, create, edit, or delete any courses and categories. Manager can browse a list of all site users, can add a new users, and if need be, they can delete a user. Can perform actions on users in bulk, can create site-wide cohorts. Manager can access logs of all activity reports on the site, can check the permission on individual users, and edit the default roles. To see how these roles can be carried out by a manager, Mount Orange School Moodle 2.5 demo is used. Having login here, using manager as a username and a Moodle as your password, can scroll down to navigation and administration block. Having turned editing on, under the site administration, we can see all the roles that a manager of a Moodle site can carry out. First of all, as a manager, under the user tab, manager can create and browse list of users, can perform action on bulk users, can add and remove user from one place to another. As the manager can add a new user to the existing users by supplying on the add a new user page, put in the username, create new password for the user, put in the first name of the user, the surname, the email address of a user. Scroll down to fill in the remaining required column: city of the user, the country of the user, there can be a brief description of the user, clicking create user button, a user is hereby created. In case a user name already exists, then you put in another. As a manager, the manager can create permissions, define roles, assign system rules, Manager can check system permissions by selecting a user and click the Show this user's permissions button to see the user permission. Let's click this one. Let's see the user permission. You can see the role for user Agunbiade and all the permissions you can carry out. As a manager, manager can create courses, add and edit courses, Manager can provide general backup and edit general backup settings. Also, manager can set general settings of grades for the user, grade category settings, grade item settings, scales, standard scales. The manager can add a new scale to the already existing ones. Also, manager can manage badges. Badges settings, manage badges, and award badges to users. Like in this place, managers have awarded 3 badges to 3 recipients. managers can add a new badge by filling all the necessary information and click the Create Badge button. Front page. Manager can edit the front page settings. Edit the front page settings. Front page rules. Assign roles to other users on the Moodle. Front page filters. Manager can filter settings in front page and save changes. All the roles, all the actions under site administration can be carried out by a manager on a Moodle. Reports can be generated by a manager. Can carry out performance overview. Security overview. Then carry out the statistics of all that is going on a Moodle. All this and much more can be done by a manager on a Moodle 2.5 site. Having gone through all this, we have the idea of what a manager can do on a Moodle site. Thanks for listening.